Alright, here's a quick walkthrough in how to do citations in Zotero. For that you need to install or download 4 things. The first one is Zotero, which is a citation manager, which manages all your books and papers we want to cite. Then there is a plugin for that called Better BibTeX. Then we need a command line tool called pandoc, which is very useful because it can convert every file type in another one. And in our case, we want to convert Markdown files into PDFs, but you can convert it into Microsoft Office file or every other document file type as well. And then we need a citation style. And we want to cite in, and in my case, I just use APA. So if everything is ready, we can configure Zotero. For that, you need to go to Edit and Preferences, and there make sure that in the Better BibTeX tab, the quick copy format is set to pandoc, and in the Export tab, the default format is set to the quick copy format of BibTeX as well. What BibTeX will do is it will give every paper or book in our library a unique citation key, and we can just copy that citation key into Obsidian, and pandoc will later be able to convert that citation key into a correct citation. And for that, we need to export our library. You can do that by clicking on File and Export Library. Make sure the format is the Better BibTeX format, and keep the Keep Updated option checked. That makes sure that every time we change something in our library, the .bib file gets changed as well. One thing I would recommend is to have the .bib file, the citation style, and the markdown file we want to convert later in one folder. That makes the conversion much easier. Okay, and after that, everything is set and we can start to cite something. So let's say you wrote some nice text here and you want to cite something. For that, you have to click on the corresponding book and press Ctrl, Shift, and C. Then we paste that into Obsidian and wrap that with brackets. And if you want to cite the page as well, just add it after the cite. And to make it look nicer, I just pasted another block of text here with a citation. So what pandoc and the conversion will do shortly, it will convert the cite key into an inline citation in the style we chose, which is API in my case, and it will add a reference to the full document below here in the reference section. And to do that, open a terminal and put in this command. So I will try to explain everything here. Pandoc is the tool we use. Then we choose the .bib file we exported before. Then we choose a sideproc filter for pandoc, which just manages the markdown citations. Then we get our citation style. Then we use a specific PDF engines to make the PDFs look nice. Then we set the name of our output, which is just example PDF. Then this one you don't need, but that sets some style features in how the PDF should export it. For example, the font size or the font style and stuff, but you don't need that. And this is the input file, which is just our test markdown file. So after that, just execute the command. And we see we have a new file here. And we can open it and we see everything went well. I executed it 2 times, but you need to do it only 1 time. And now we see here our citation key got into an inline citation. This is how it's done in APA. So if you use another style, it will be different. And here's our full reference. And that's how to cite properly. Have fun.